Now, students, friends, welcome. We will start from the five kingdom of classification. Five kingdom. Our scientist सबको हटाकर R.H. विटाकर in 1969 R.H. विटाकर सबको हटाकर he gave five kingdom classification. In this five kingdom, plant, animal, fungi, protista, and monera. However, Carl Woese scientists have made a new kingdom, and he partitioned the sixth group from the Monera itself. Now we are going to discuss about the Monera kingdom. Kingdom Monera my dear students, now discussion on Monera kingdom. My dear students, our R.H. Vitakar, you can write Vitakar, Vitakar. Kingdom Monera. First of all, how we will come to know that this organism is related to Monera. First, we will know the base of classification of Monera, to which organism we are calling it is related to kingdom Monera. My dear students, first organism which is related to Monera, it should be prokaryote. Prokaryote. So question will arise, what do you mean by prokaryote? So my dear students, prokaryotes, those organisms which do not have all cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, and they do not have well defined nucleus even. A thread-like structure is present inside the cytoplasm itself, and this nucleus part is not surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Only a few ribosomes are present that will help in the protein synthesis. Understood? So all the prokaryotes like the bacteria, blue-green algae, and mycoplasma. My dear students, they are included under the Monera. Why? They are included under Monera because they are prokaryote in nature. They do not have cell organelle. And all the organisms which divide off the cell organelle, they will be kept under the kingdom Monera. The Copeland was the scientist who introduced this kingdom Monera. Copeland. Now you may study about the bacteria. My dear students, bacteria, either it is eubacteria or it may be archaeobacteria. This eubacteria, it means it is true bacteria. In archaebacteria, it means the bacteria which were present in the early days. They can survive very early. Early days bacteria having special cell wall like methanogen bacteria. Methanogen bacteria and acidophile bacteria, halophile bacteria, थर्मोएसिडोफिल बैक्टीरिया, जो बैक्टीरिया हमें साल्ट में जिंदा मिलते हैं, फायर के अंदर जिंदा मिलते हैं, साल्ट में, कोल्ड में, आइस में और मार्शी एरिया में. These bacteria survive in very drastic condition. No one can survive in such kind of conditions where these bacteria can survive. It is only due to their complex body structure, because they are made up of single cell. That's why only the cell wall is responsible to survival of their life. Cell wall, which do not allow the external environment change inside. This is the eubacteria, true bacteria, today's bacteria, which is very sensitive even by the antibiotics. It doesn't affect it, but it gets affected. If you will discuss about the structure of bacteria, bacteria may be spherical, bacteria may be rod shaped, bacteria may be comma shaped, bacteria may be spring shaped. So my dear students, bacteria may be of different shapes. It doesn't matter, it is spherical, bacillus, comma shaped or this spring shaped. The spherical bacteria is known as coccus. Coccus, the name given to the spherical shaped bacteria. Coccus. This is bacillus. Bacillus bacteria. You can check the spelling, no problem at all. The rod-shaped bacteria are called the bacillus bacteria. And those bacteria which are of comma shaped, this is comma. In Hindi comma लगाते हैं जो, that shape bacteria are called the Vibrio bacteria. Vibrio. Vibrio bacteria. And spring-like structure bacteria are called the Spirillonum. Spirillonum bacteria. bacteria have their own method to move. They may have cilia or flagella. Let us discuss.